So how you can sign up on copy.ai affiliate program. So first of all, I am in the copy.ai, and if I scroll all the way down, you should have the option of affiliate program in the company. So right now for me it's not available. I guess they removed the feature of affiliate program from their website, as most people cannot see the affiliate program option in the company. It used to have an affiliate program button just like this contact us and work with us option. So right now it is no longer available, but if you have the affiliate program button available, you just gonna need to click on that, and then you're gonna need to simply enter your full name in the Google Docs. It will be a Google Docs file. Whenever you gonna click on the affiliate program, it kind of like an application which you just need to fill out by entering your full name, your best contact email, then your website or social media profile link, then where would you like to promote copy.ai, and what audience or customer type are you planning to target. So you're gonna need to fill out that particular form, and then you need to submit. After that, you're gonna wait for the copy.ai reply on your email address that you have mentioned. So hope this helps. This is how you can sign up for copy.ai affiliate program.